Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see who visited your Instagram profile. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In order to see who visited your Instagram profile, you need to switch your Instagram account to professional account. To do that, just tap on the hamburger menu. And in the search box, type in switch to professional account and perform a search. Tap on it. Then keep on tapping on the continue button. Now select any category. Once you're done, tap on the Done button. Then tap on the Continue button. Once you switch to the professional account, you can see Professional Dashboard. Just tap on it. Then select Account Reach option. Scroll down until you find Profile Visit. You can see the number of people who visited your profile, but you are not able to see the individual users who visited your profile. And this is how you can see who visited your Instagram profile. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.